Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use network file sharing. First, understand that network file sharing enables seamless access to documents, photos, and other media across various devices connected to the same local network. This powerful feature centralizes your data, making it incredibly convenient for teams or families to collaborate and share resources efficiently. It truly streamlines your digital workflow, saving you time and effort by avoiding repetitive file transfers. To begin, select the specific folder you intend to share on your host computer. Right-click the folder, navigate to its properties, and then locate the Sharing tab. Here, you will enable sharing and configure permissions, deciding who can view or edit the contents. Remember to also confirm that network discovery is active on your host machine, allowing other devices to see it on the network. This foundational step is crucial for successful sharing. Once sharing is configured on the host, you can access those files from any other device on the same network. Open your file browser, like File Explorer on Windows or Finder on a Mac, and look for the network section. You should see the host computer listed. Double-click it, and if prompted, enter the username and password you set up for sharing. You will then see and interact with the shared folders just as if they were local. For optimal security, always use robust, unique passwords for any shared resources. It is also wise to share only specific folders rather than entire drives, minimizing potential exposure. Regularly review and update your sharing permissions, especially when team members or access needs change. Implementing these simple best practices ensures your data remains secure while still enjoying the convenience and efficiency of network file sharing across your devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.